Welcome once again to our ongoing YouTube video series on wills and estate planning. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal. And in this particular video, we're going to be looking at the question, what is estate planning? Well, estate planning is a broader conceptual term that goes beyond one's last will and testament. Because one's last will and testament, as we've alluded to previously, deals with how your estate is going to be treated and managed upon your death. So what you're looking to do in an estate plan is take care of a broader range of things, including your last will and testament. And among those additional aspects is going to be powers of attorney and personal directives, dealing with matters of finance, property, and health when you're incapacitated. So you're not necessarily dead at the time, but you're incapacitated, incapable of making decisions. Meanwhile, you have your last will and testament. You potentially are dealing with guardianship issues in that with respect to either minor children or dependents with special needs. How your estate is going to be distributed, who is going to be managing it upon your death, what's the process. There's what is known as pour over wills into effectively trust arrangements. And then there's also the aspect of specific trusts. You might create a trust during your lifetime where you begin to shift your money, your property into this trust entity, which is by legal definition its own person. And the trust now is the owner of that property. So the property now sits with this legal person irrespective of your own death, your own spouse's death, and is run that way. So you're putting property and finances for a long-term plan. Naturally, with everything that we're talking about, there's a lot of legal rules and specifications that need to be dealt with, especially when you get into the more sophisticated planning, with a lot of it being done for tax purposes. But whenever you deal with stuff for tax purposes, there's always legal implications. And there's the need for certainty with respect to those aspects, even more so when doing one's estate plan, because that can become more controversial and more detailed. Hence, it is always recommended that you engage the advice of a knowledgeable lawyer for those matters. So hopefully that elucidates some aspect as to what is an estate plan and what is estate planning. We trust you find it informative. And if you have any legal matters pursuing to wills and estate planning, do not hesitate to contact us. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel for further information with respect to legal matters. Thank you very much.